In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Reddit app. We'll walk through the process on a Windows PC using the Microsoft Store, keeping everything simple and clear so you can get the official app safely and quickly. First, open the Microsoft Store on your computer. You can do this by clicking the Start button and typing Microsoft Store, then selecting the app from the results. If it's already pinned to your taskbar, just click the shopping bag icon with the Microsoft logo. Make sure you're connected to the internet, since the store and the download both rely on a stable connection. Once the Microsoft Store is open, look for the search bar at the top and type Reddit. Press Enter. Take a moment to check your spelling. Typing it exactly helps the store show the correct result right away. If you see suggested matches as you type, you can select Reddit from the list to jump straight to the app page. Now, confirm that you're looking at the official Reddit app. The listing should clearly show Reddit's familiar alien logo and list Reddit Inc. as the publisher. You'll usually see a high number of ratings and reviews on the official app, which is another good sign you're in the right place. Be cautious of similarly named third-party apps. When in doubt, stick to the one from the recognized publisher. If the official app is available in your region, you'll see an Install or Get button on the app page. Click it to start the download. In some cases, the store may prompt you to sign in to your Microsoft account before it begins. That's normal. Just follow the on-screen prompts. If the Install button appears grayed out, it can help to check that Windows is up to date, that you're using a standard user profile with permissions to install apps, and that you have enough free storage space. After you click Install, watch the progress indicator as the download and installation complete. The time this takes will depend on your internet speed and system performance. If progress seems stuck, give it a moment. Sometimes the store pauses and resumes in the background. You should see the status change to installed when it's finished, and an Open button will appear on the app page. The app will also be added to your Start menu automatically. That's all there is to it. Open the Microsoft Store, search for Reddit, make sure you've got the official app, click Install, and wait for the installation to complete. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring Reddit on your PC.